What's cracking? Hopefully not your back. Now listen, cryptocurrency is a special kind of money that only exists online. Unlike regular money, like coins or paper bills, crypto doesn't need a bank to store it. Instead, it uses something called blockchain. Think of blockchain like a big notebook that everybody can see, but no one can erase. Okay? This notebook basically keeps track of every time somebody buys or sells crypto. One of the most popular types of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like digital gold. It's the first cryptocurrency ever made. People use Bitcoin to buy things online and hold it as an investment. So, and they hope it's going to increase in value over time. And it's almost the highest it's ever been right now at the making of this video. Another popular type of crypto is Ethereum. It's different because, besides being a type of money, it could also be used to create small contracts. And these are like agreements that automatically do things, such as sending money when certain conditions are met without needing a middleman. Cryptocurrency is exciting because, it's changing the way people think about money. It lets you send money anywhere in the world, anywhere, almost instantly, without even needing a bank. Even though it's still new, crypto becomes a lot more popular and is a big part of the future of money. You better believe that. So I hope you got a good gist of that. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, because as you know, you get what you give.